Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for home healthcare services with Brookdale, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for home healthcare services with Brookdale, start by visiting their official website. Look for the services section on the homepage. Select home healthcare to learn more about the specific services offered. Review the information regarding types of care available. Once you're familiar with the services, locate the Get Started or Contact Us button. Click on that button to access the registration form. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Provide any relevant medical history or specific needs related to the care you are seeking. If applicable, mention the insurance provider that will cover the services. Submit the registration form either online or through the provided contact methods. After submission, wait for confirmation from Brookdale regarding your registration. Check your email or phone for further communication regarding next steps. Once contacted, schedule an initial assessment to discuss your care needs in detail. During the assessment, be prepared to answer questions about your health and daily living activities. After the assessment, Brookdale will create a personalized care plan tailored to your needs. Upon agreement, you can finalize the registration process and begin receiving services. Be sure to maintain open communication with your care team for any questions or adjustments needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.